Chapter 1. A legendary commander, Gaius Julius Caesar, 100 to 44 BCE, ranks among history's greatest military leaders, often compared to Alexander the Great, Hannibal, Genghis Khan, and Napoleon. Despite setbacks, such as defeats at Thapsus and Dyrrhachium, his strategic brilliance shone through victories like Pharsalus, Zela, and Thapsus, where he overcame numerically superior foes. His leadership, camaraderie with soldiers, and innovative tactics cemented his reputation as a military genius in ancient Rome. Chapter 2. Early Leadership and Character. In his youth, Caesar displayed remarkable leadership. Captured by Cilician pirates, he maintained his dignity, staying physically fit and earning his soldiers' respect through guidance, not fear. Unlike many Roman generals, he marched alongside his men, shared their simple food and sour wine, and slept in the open when they did. His principle was clear. Roman officers must not beat or humiliate soldiers, fostering loyalty and unity within his ranks. Chapter 3. Rise to Power and the First Triumvirate. Born into a prestigious but not wealthy Roman family, Caesar joined the military and served in Asia. After the death of Sulla, Rome's dictator, he returned to pursue a political career. In 60 BCE, he formed the First Triumvirate with Pompey, a renowned general, and Crassus, Rome's wealthiest man. This alliance, though informal, gave Caesar immense political influence, securing his rise through negotiation and mutual benefit, outmaneuvering potential rivals. Chapter 4. Conquest in Gaul. In 58 BCE, Caesar left Rome to govern Gaul, modern France and Belgium, where he defeated local tribes and expanded Roman territory. To deter Germanic invasions, he built a bridge across the Rhine, paraded his army, and then dismantled it, sending a clear message of Roman might. By 52 BCE, he subdued Gallic leader Vercingetorix, solidifying his control and building a formidable army that bolstered his political ambitions. Chapter 5. The Battle of Pharsalus. The Battle of Pharsalus, 48 BCE, during Rome's civil war, showcased Caesar's tactical genius. Facing Pompey, his former ally backed by the Senate, Caesar was outnumbered. Pompey deployed a long line of inexperienced infantry, supported by 7,000 cavalry on the left, planning to outflank Caesar's army. Caesar countered by densely packing his right wing and hiding 5,000 infantry behind his cavalry. As Pompey's cavalry overwhelmed Caesar's hidden infantry launched a surprise javelin attack, scattering the enemy. With Pompey's forces in disarray, Caesar's reserves sealed a decisive victory, demonstrating his adaptability and foresight. Chapter 6. Political Reforms in the Path to Empire. Caesar's victories made him Rome's dominant leader. Named Dictator Perpetuo, dictator for life, he enacted reforms that transformed the Roman Republic into the foundations of the Roman Empire. He restructured the Senate, appointed loyal allies, and demanded precedence in meetings. Coins bore his image, symbolizing his authority. His reforms streamlined governance but alienated traditionalists, sowing seeds of opposition among the Senate's elite. Chapter 7. Alliance with Cleopatra and Triumph. After defeating Pompey, who fled to Egypt and was killed, Caesar allied with Egypt's young queen, Cleopatra, strengthening his influence in the eastern Mediterranean. Returning to Rome, he was hailed as the city's supreme leader, celebrated for his military triumphs and political consolidation. though his growing power intensified tensions with conservative senators. Chapter 8. Assassination and Legacy. At age 55, on the Ides of March 15th, 44 BCE, Caesar was brutally assassinated by senators, stabbed 23 times in a plot led by Brutus and Cassius. Defiant to the end, his final words, possibly et tu, Brute, remain a historical mystery. The Senate deified him posthumously, granting him the title Divus Iulius, Divine Julius. His death sparked the final phase of Rome's civil war, ending the Republic and ushering in the Roman Empire under his heir, Octavian Augustus, Rome's first emperor. Chapter 9. A multifaceted icon. Caesar was not only a military genius, but also a skilled politician, orator, and reformer. His camaraderie with soldiers, encouraging personalized weapons and leading from the front, earned their devotion. While fair to his men, he was ruthless to enemies, sometimes denying them water or executing deserters. His life inspired countless works of literature and film, portraying him as a visionary whose ambition reshaped Rome, leaving a legacy of power, reform, and divine reverence. Chapter 10. Enduring Influence. Caesar's name became synonymous with authority, evolving into titles like Kaiser and Tsar. His reforms laid the groundwork for the Roman Empire's centuries-long dominance. More than any ancient king or emperor, Caesar's blend of military prowess, political acumen, and cultural impact endures, marking him as a transformative figure whose vision of centralized power continues to resonate in history.